Jerry's warmed up, it's time to really put him to the test. Let's see if we can't get this thing settled. Jerry's going to go first with 10 rounds of semi-fire, then Chris will go with 10 rounds of full auto fire. Whoever empties the magazine and puts the rounds on target first wins.
Here we go.
You're ready. Stand by.
All right. I'll move better.
Boy, you got your work cut out for
All
you.
right, Chris. Let's have a look here. 1.52 seconds. First shot in .31. Nothing to it.
Nothing to it.
All I've got to do is pull this trigger once.
All right, Chris. You got this. You're ready. Stand by. All right, Chris. You got this.
Well, let's see if Chris in that full auto can shoot faster than Jerry.
You're ready.
I'm not putting any pressure on you.
Stand by.
I couldn't call it for money, Miss Kay. If there was a winner, I couldn't tell it.
Let's see what you got.
1.40. Very
Oh,
good.
well.
Very good.
I was a millisecond in front of him.
You know